Good morning, it's time to get up.
What I can see is lost in the memory. All you slipped away into a moment in time. It was never mine.
Have a great day.